Hello crafters, welcome to Creator MG, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making a monochromatic card. An old video that I did over on Elf Creations posted on this channel a couple of weeks ago, and people seem to really like the monochromatic look. It's quite elegant. Now I'm a big fan of this particular stamp set from May. It's called Sorry, and it has these gorgeous dandelion images, and it has multiple sentiments. It says, sorry, I was wrong, I missed your birthday so very, it's been so long, please forgive me for your loss, I remembered too late, can I have a do-over, I forgot, my bad, oh, but I miss you, you've been down, you caught a bug. Now I'm going to be making a monochromatic card, so a black and white card, and I'm going to be doing the same thing. Well, what I'm going to be doing on this card, let me get my words out properly, crafters. Let me put my false teeth back in. Right. What I've done on this card, I have also done on two other cards, and all I've done is change the sentiment. So basically this card is showing you how you can make a multitude of the same style cards and then just attach different sentiments to it. So I'm making a 5x7 card. I am having a black card base, because obviously this is monochromatic, and I have a white insert. Now this is 4 3/4 by 6 3/4, and I'm going to be stamping around the outside edge, and this is going to be portrait. So I'm going to be stamping round the edge, and I'm going to be using these gorgeous dandelion images. Now I'm going to be using some of the loose seed pods that come with the stamp set, and I'm going to put some of those in. And again, you can put these wherever you like. I tend to like to put them near the image where it looks like it's been partly blown. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to put that to one side. And what I've got is this die set. Now you could use any ornate die set that you choose, but think about the sentiment you're going to use. So I've got a large one which I've cut in black cardstock, and that measures 2.5 inches by 3 3/4 inches, and the smaller one measures 2.25 inches by 3 1/4 inches. So I've already cut those, so there you go. I'm going to back it onto the black, so I won't need to stamp anything on here, but I need to stamp a sentiment on here. So I have done a happy birthday one, and I used the happy birthday from this stamp set here, and that's all occasions. So I'm going to use, if I can fit the with sympathy on there, because unfortunately I do need to be making some sympathy cards this month and last. So with sympathy, so let's see if that will fit on this. What I've already got set. Yeah, it will. So I'm going to stamp with sympathy. Let me take this off so it's out of the way. Now that's just a piece of large cardstock, crafters, that I have, which I'm going to have it go that way, that I just used to stamp on and off the page. Okay, so that's that. And going back to one of the dandelion images, whoop, come back here you, I'm going to bring that piece of paper over again. So just really trying not to get this desk too this black die cut. I'm just going to eyeball it, but if you want to be precise, obviously you can do that. And using some black foam tape, and this is a foam tape that I get from Hobbycraft here in the United Kingdom. I like to use black when I'm doing a card that is, you know, using predominantly black, so then it disappears. Sometimes the white foam tape can be seen. Let's pop that on there. Okay. Let's bring over our card base. Let's glue this down. And it's at this point that you could put on here, sorry for your loss. So that says with sympathy, and then on the inside I think I'm going to put sorry for your loss. Sorry for your loss. Then again, I think I might add just one of the dandelion plants in the bottom there. So there we go, crafters. That's just using one sentiment from another stamp set, and then all the rest are from the Sorry stamp set from Mei. And I have to say, it's a very diverse set. So there's the with sympathy. Then you have one here, that's Happy Birthday. As you can see, exactly the same style. All I've done is change up the sentiments, and this one here is also Sorry for Your Loss. So this one is Portrait of the Tour Landscape. But it's amazing, all you've got to do is put something around the edge, keep it to, you know, keep the colour themes going the same, and change up your sentiment, and you can make really quick and easy stash cards. So thank you very much for joining me today, crafters. I'd love to see your recreation if you recreate this. Head over to Create at Home with G and L Creations on Facebook. I'd love to have you. And you'll be seeing me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.